Hey, we're here in Knife Creek, Kentucky. We got quite a crowd today. We're about 2 miles roughly from the main gate. That's just the main gate, and then we're gonna go in for the machine gun shoot. They got quite a crowd here today. They're expecting thousands of people, so we're on our way. We're gonna park way out over here. I'm all set. I got my backpack full of water and my sunscreen and my glasses and my fatigues, and we're gonna go shoot some machine guns now. Okay, we gotta start walking. Here we go. Okay, we're about halfway there. We can see the sign over there. I ain't huffing and puffing yet. I got my backpack on, about 30 pounds of water and supplies. So, second leg of the journey. Come on. Okay, we're here right now. We're about roughly half a block away. There it is over there. We got thousands of cars coming in just to get in. There's our line way back there where we came in from, way back there. What's that, about a mile? Now we walked a mile already. The cars to get in are about half a block long. But we still got a long way to go, so we're 90% there. Okay, start hiking. Okay, we made it here now. That was about a 2-mile walk. Made it to the site about another half mile. There's a man there directing traffic. Is there any parking over here? Is there any parking over here?
There is no parking over here.
Holy cow. It was a nice walk though. We're 2 miles down that way and we made it. Well, let's go join the party, guys. Yeah.
No parking.
As you see right here, this whole area is flooded. The machine gun shoots open, but the jungle walk for the machine guns are canceled due to inclement weather. Got a lot of rain over here.
But they don't shoot it here. They shoot in the back, but it's a lot worse than this.
Yeah, they shoot it in the back over there. That's a lot worse than this. There's about 4 feet of water at least. Yeah, we're about 2 miles from the car. This is one of the main parking lots over here. You notice a lot of this is all flooded. If you were to come in here with a car, the chances of you getting stuck would probably be 50-50. If you notice, most of the cars in here are SUVs and 4-wheel drive. I say they had a big downpour the last couple of days. Seems to be drying up now. We still got about another half a block to go before we hit the main gate. Meanwhile, they're still all coming in over here. And the sun's beating down.
What's that noise in the background?
If you hear all that noise in the background, that's not a band, those are machine guns going off. Ah, well, yeah, machine guns. So if you come here, be sure to bring your earplugs. Okay.
Look at all that mud right there.
That's the helicopter ride. I don't know how it costs, to be honest. We're at the ticket booth right now, but we're not at the main gate. I'll get my ticket and then we're going to go in. The line's pretty scarce right now. Okay, we're at the main gate right now. The show's going on. They're shooting machine guns. If you can hear it in the background, you gotta go in, gotta have your earplugs. We're all set. We're all paid. We walked approximately 2.5 miles. I think I can still handle it, so fine, let's go see the show. Now remember, if you come here, bring your eye protectors and your earmuffs.
What's that noise in the background?
That's a helicopter. That's a medical helicopter. Another thing, you come here, bring lots of money. You can spend it fast.
And a backpack with water.
Yeah. You start shooting off those rounds with like 5 seconds.
Fire line security, are we ready on the right?